You don't owe anybody a perfect afro. You don't owe anybody straight hair. You don't owe anybody a perfect curl pattern. You don't owe anybody long hair. Hey, beautiful people. It's your fave Sandra Lusati, and welcome to the final episode of Beginner's Guide to Natural Hair Growth. As you already saw in the title, I am going to be sharing with you my natural hair journey with pictures, including the protective styles that I've done throughout the years through my natural hair journey. So I hope you find this to be helpful. I hope it inspires you to continue in your natural hair journey and know that you need to love your hair, whether it's long, whether you're bald, whether it's short, whether it's medium sized. Love your hair the way it is and enjoy the process, because you know, if you have short hair, you're not going to have that short hair forever. If your hair is to grow your hair to lengths it's never been, you're not going to have that short hair forever. So enjoy your hair in every state that it's in, and don't compare yourself to other people. Other people may have curly hair, like their curls may be defined, super defined, but yours, if it isn't, don't worry about that. Just love your hair for what it is. Love your hair for the shrinkage. I know for the longest of time I have not loved my hair in shrinkage. I would always find a way to stretch out my hair so that I can see that it is growing. But learn to love your hair while it's shrinked like this, or while it's in a big poofy puff or whatever. Love your hair for what it is. So yeah, enjoy this little clip thingy I got for you. And yeah.
get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?